Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable biometrics on Target account. So first we're going to go to our Target app. As I told you guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. It's such a helpful shopping app. So once you guys are here, going to click on My Target, found at the lower right corner. Then we're going to click on Settings, found at the top right corner. Then now we're going to scroll downwards until we find the Touch ID option. So we're going to turn it on. So as you can see, we've enabled our biometrics. This is very important for security reasons, as when we log into our account, we can use our biometrics to sign in. So make sure you turn on this setting since it's very helpful. As I told you, we also have different videos in our How to Tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.